Hello. I have Chrome opened, but the translation can be done in any browser. I'm typing the application name into the search engine. Open it. Right-click anywhere on the site. Select the Translate to English menu. A menu appears in which you can select the language available for translation. I'll choose Ukrainian. Now I'll try Georgian. Hindi. Dutch. This translation cannot be called professional, but we couldn't done it better even if we did the translation ourselves. Like, subscribe, share. We will be grateful for your feedback. Thank you for watching. Peace for everyone.